Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is November 15th, 2022. Today, adjective game. 10 questions. It will start easy. Number 1. Hurry up. You are. Also, we say, we will take the bus. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. This means you are not early. Late. Hurry up. You're late. We'll take the late bus. We won't take the early one. Soon. They will take their vacation to Mexico. This means it only happens one time every year. Annual. Their annual vacation to Mexico. This one we have 2 ways to use it. Bob is means he doesn't have very much money. Also, Bob is a tennis player. Means he's not a good tennis player. The last letter is an R. Poor. Bob's poor means he doesn't have much money. Bob's a poor tennis player means he's not a good player. And we usually use it in the top form. They are wicked. They are ruthless. These words are not in our program. They're only here. This means they are very, very bad people. Equals, they are very bad people. And the missing letter is near the end of the alphabet. Evil. They are evil. Bob is very wet because he was out in the rain. Equals, he is drenched. That's not in our program. It's only here. Equals, he is. And the missing letter is a vowel. Soaked. He's soaked. Walking on the sidewalk is, but walking on the road is not. This means if you walk on the sidewalk, you are not breaking the law. Legal. Walking on the sidewalk is legal, but walking on the road is not legal. Jennifer always thinks that good things will happen in the future. She is. She's not pessimistic. Optimistic. She's optimistic. Please, this matter is pressing. Pressing is not in our program. We only teach it here. It means it needs attention right away. It equals, please. This matter is, and the first missing letter is a U. Urgent. Please. This matter is urgent. Bob listened to what you said, but he is still not totally. This means he's not sure. You told him your side of the story, and you want him to believe you, but he's still not totally. Convinced. You want him to believe you, so you told him your side of the story, but he's not convinced yet. And this one, we have two ways to use it. Number one, there was a increase in the price. This means a small or a slight increase. Number two, Jennifer is very. This means she doesn't talk about her accomplishments very much. She doesn't boast or brag. Modest. There was a modest increase in the price. And number two, Jennifer's very modest. In today's game, word number one, late, is also an adverb. For example, to go to bed late or to get up late. We are using the Svano vocabulary 8,000. It is the 8,000 words that you need to be fluent in English. Game over! How did you do? That's good. Was it easy or difficult? How do you spell your name? What country do you live in? Do you like to study English? Very nice. You're doing very well today. My name is Vinny. Bye-bye, everybody.